So a couple years ago, I put a trail camera under a bird feeder because I wanted to see what was coming around at night. Well, I had a family of raccoons. Turns out one of them was an albino. Very interesting. Turns out the only difference was the color of the fur and the color of the eyes. No other difference in that little thing. Pretty neat, huh? So coming up is a great opportunity to talk to a child about the sounds these raccoons are going to make. You'll hear a chittering sound, purring, snorts, growls. I don't think there's any snares, but maybe some whimpers. No screams. But enjoy what you hear. Talk about it.